Hi guys, my name is Ali Mohandraja, back with another video, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can enable 90 FPS in PUBG. I have watched a lot of videos on YouTube and they are using some text from a file and copy and pasting stuff like that, and I don't really like it, so I was looking for another way to do it. I found the way. Let me show you my graphic setting first. Music. Yeah, so here you can see my graphic setting. There is no 90 FPS here right now. I will just exit my PUBG and go to Play Store, and here you will find LFX tools. This is the app. I have already installed it. Just open it and wait for a while, and here first allow the permissions and go to PUBG Mobile, and in global version, whatever version you are using, I'm using the global version, so I'm here, and here VIP config updated 1.6.0, go here. It's the, I think, the fifth one, and here it will give you some ads, which is really annoying because you don't know how to exit this one. Let me just restart the app again. LFX tools, here it is. Some ads cannot be disconnected, I don't know why. Allow the permissions, then PUBG Mobile global version, and here in the fifth one, and you can see here you can also add white body, no grass. I'm not going to use all of that, but I'm just going to use 90 FPS plus Ultra HD. I just need this one. Click add, tap and hold. I just tapped and hold it, and here it says successfully applied. Now I can exit the app and open PUBG. And now I will go to settings, the graphic setting. As you can see, smooth and 90 FPS balance with 90 FPS HD, 90 FPS HD or 90 FPS, and I don't have Ultra HD. I have Ultra HD, I think. HDR, everything with 90 FPS, as you can see here. So thank you guys for watching the video, and also when you exit the PUBG Mobile next time, it will not show you the 90 FPS option, but it will give you 90 FPS in the FPS meter, as you can see it in the FPS meter up here. So thank you guys for watching the video. Let me show you just real quick that how it is look like. It's really smooth, I think. Well, keep in mind that if you are going to use some hacks like white body and stuff like that, it will reset your controls. It's really smooth, as you can see. With the recorder turned on, I am using the AZ screen recorder, and it's not dropping the FPS. Let me just show you how fast this is.